How's it going, tubers? It's me, AMR. Welcome to another unboxing video. I have not done an unboxing video for a while, but here it is. This unboxing video is about the watch, the Honor Brand 5, and this is like basically activity tracker watch. But the main reason why I've got it is because of the notifications. I will be able to see my WhatsApp notifications, basically messages from the watch. That's the main reason why I've got it, because at work, where I'm not allowed to have a phone on me, and you know, of course, I get some really important messages these days. I really need to see what's going on. So let's get right into it. Unbox this. I got this from Argos for £30. Well, actually 27 to be exact. And it was on sale, to be honest. Normally these cost 40. This is the original Honor Band 5 watch. There are loads of fake versions out there on Wish and everything, but this is absolutely legit, the original. This is from the UK, made by Hawaii, and it got a quick start guide and stuff like that there, which I don't want to go right into straight away. But this is mostly unboxing video. The specs of this watch is going to be in the description below. I will repeat, the specs of this watch is going to be in the description below. Before anyone starts to, tell me, oh dude, you wasted our time, right? If you want to hear more in-depth information about this watch, you might as well go watch a different video. But me, I'm just going to show you the basics, guys. See, for those of you that, guys like me that go on YouTube and don't want to go on a like 10-minute or 20-minute long video just to, just see a guy talk on and on. This is like just a quick video. But anyways, here is the charger. Charger looks something that I've never seen before. Wow. It's got like, what is this? It's a micro USB. Standard micro USB, and it's got this thing here. I have no idea how the watch is going to sit on this, and it's basically going to be charged through a USB. This watch does last up to 14 days of charge. That's absolutely perfect. And here it is. Wow, it looks so small. I'm loving it. Here is the watch itself. You can see a big circle button there. Well, actually, I don't think that's a circle button. It's all touch. It's all touch. And let me just quickly... The strap is made out of plastic, really comfortable. I'm touching it right now. It's so soft. I'm just scared it might like rip or something, but it's cool. You can deattach the plastic things to it, and I'm guessing there is the heartbeat sensor. That's what's going to be placed on your wrist, and it's basically going to read your heartbeat. And them two things there, I believe, sit on the charger. Just like so. Damn it. I think I should have looked at the instructions actually. Right, just like that. Sits on there and it charges. Has it got a wireless charging? I have no idea so far. I don't think it has. Maybe it has. I don't know. So let's see if this thing's got actually any charge in it. Right, I don't think it's got any charge in it. Nope, I don't think it's got any charge in it. Right, I'll be right back. Once it's got charge in it, I will continue the video and show you the insides of this watch. I'll be right back, guys. Right then, tubers, this watch didn't need a charge. In fact, it needed a bit of like a jump start, and it also told me to download an app on my phone. It's called the Hawaii Health app, and from there you can do so much things on this watch. It's unbelievable. I didn't expect a watch of this caliber to do things. Now I've changed the watch faces. It had tons of watch faces, guys. It's flipping unbelievable the amount of watch faces it had. But at the moment, this is the one I like. There was many I like, but you know what? I'm just in a hurry so I can show you what you can do. So touching that circle button there is to turn the watch on, and there you go. Messages. Basically, when someone sends you a message, a WhatsApp, or your whichever, on the app of the watch that you have got downloaded, the Hawaii Health app. Basically, you can set what notifications you can receive on the watch. So I have selected normal text messages as well as WhatsApp messages. If you've got Facebook, if you've got Twitter, it's got everything, every notification you can have. You need to allow the permission of the app so you can send it to this watch. So yeah, you can receive all of those notifications. It has also got a music controller. That is amazing because in my car I don't have anything else to control the music. So if your phone is connected to your car and then you want to change the track, instead of picking your phone up and pressing forward track or back track, you can just simply adjust the volume from there and change it from there. That's awesome as well. It's got the workout. Basically you tap that, you got a gym and you can run around, do whatever you want, and then you can work out and it'll detect your workout. And it's got basically basic settings. It's got the sleepometer. It's got SPO. This option only comes when you update the firmware of the watch. It's got your heart rate monitor, which obviously is going to detect from your wrist there. And it's got a step counter right there. Obviously it's 0 because I've just unboxed the watch. And messages right there again. And then obviously there's the display. So far I'm really, really happy with this watch. And it's just too cool, man. I mean, for what you paid for, it's going to help me out a lot at work. Because I mainly got it for notifications. My watch notifications and stuff like that. My phone notifications. It's going to all come in this watch. So yeah, there we have it, guys. This is the Honor Band 5 watch. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing video, and really there's nothing much to talk about. As I said, it's a quick unboxing, and the specs of this watch is going to be in the description below. And yeah, launch your comments there. I will answer every single one of your basically questions. Before that, obviously you want to see on the watch. This is the watch that I'm currently wearing, dude. All Core W1 watch. This is all the unboxing of this watch is on my channel as well. Don't forget to watch it. So I will just quickly strap this onto my hand. Before I was gonna flip and leave the video, I should have done that. Let me just quickly strap. And damn it, I'm getting this through the hook a bit. Yeah, it's got an adjustment there. That's what it looks like on the wrist, and it's got motion sensing. So basically, it's gone off now. All I have to do is that to turn it on. You can turn that off. All the settings, all the customizations are on your phone. By the way, I've connected this to an Android Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus. Obviously, you can connect to all Android phones. I don't know about Apple. It's basically made by Hawaii. So it's best suited to Hawaii. But I think it's one of the best fitness trackers out there. Because I was going to get a Samsung Galaxy eFit tracker. But it didn't have the features that this had. And the Samsung Galaxy fitness tracker was much more expensive than this. But this had more features than it. So obviously, this is the best value for your money. Thank you for watching the video, guys. Like I said, don't forget to smash in the comments there. I will answer every single one of your comments. And thank you for coming to the AMI channel to watch the unboxing. Don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Peace out.